Hello students, so till now we have completed the spinal cord. Now we have completed the central nervous system. Now today we are going to start our second type of nervous system, that is the peripheral nervous system. Yes, this peripheral nervous system is different from the central nervous system, that it carries the information from the sensory organ to the central nervous system, and from the central nervous system is going to send the signals to the sensory organ. So it is the this is the function of this peripheral nervous system. Yes, this peripheral nervous system connects the central nervous system to the different parts of the body. Yes, so on the basis of different हम देखेंगे, we have seen कि we will see कि on the basis of different basis पे we have classified the nerves on different types. Yes, so first, on the basis of the presence or absence of the myelin sheath, the nerves can be classified as myelinated sheath or the myelinated nerves, and second is the non-myelinated nerves. Yes, अगर हम जो एक्सॉन है, एक्सॉन के ऊपर अगर माइलिन शीट का कवर है, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज माइलिनेटेड नर्व, एंड इट डजंट हैव द माइलिन शीट, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज नॉन माइलिनेटेड नर्व. Yes, next, on the basis of function, the nerves can be divided into three types, that is the sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Yes, so what is the function of this sensory nerve? As the sensory nerve, it collect the information from all the sense organ, and it collect and it pass to the central nervous system. So it is the work of the sensory nerve. Yes, motor nerve. What is the role of motor nerve? It is conveying the information or the message from the central nervous system to the sensory organ. That is the work of the motor nerve. Yes. Then the mixed nerve. Mixed nerve is the nerve which are sending the both message in both the direction, means from the sensory organ to the central nervous system, and from central nervous system to the sensory organ. Yes, so on the basis of origin, there are two types of nerve. मतलब उनका origin कहाँ हुआ है? So for they are of two types. The cranial nerves, the originate from the brain, so they are called as the cranial nerve, and the spiral nerve, or they are originated from the spinal cord. Yes, there are 12 pair of this cranial nerves, and there are 31 pairs of these spiral nerves. In detail, we are going to see these two cranial nerves and spiral nerve. First, on the basis of the function, how the nerves are divided and how these nerves can use in this cranial and spiral nerve, we are going to see in this. Yes, so as we know that this is the diagram of the neuron, where it has the dendrites and the cyton, the cell. Yes, and from this cyton, the axon will carry away the message from this cyton. Yes, here the dendrites, they are collecting the information. Yes, they collecting the information from the nerves, from the different nerves, and from the and from this information they are going to take away from the cyton by this axon. Yes, डेंड्राइट्स जो है वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को कलेक्ट कर रहा है, एंड इट गोज इनटू द साइटॉन, एंड ये साइटॉन से फिर ये इंफॉर्मेशन इट विल गो in the next neuron. So the what is the role of axon? It is taking the information away from the cyton. ये information जो है वो जो है साइटॉन से दूर लेके जा रहा है. Yes, so this is the role of the axon. Yes, so on the basis of the arrangement of this neuron, the Neurons or the nerves can be divided or they are differentiated on the basis of their function as the sensory nerve, motor nerve and mixed nerve. So if we consider this neuron like this, अगर हम इसको इस तरह से बनाते हैं, so what is, these are the dendrites and these are the axon, yes, and they are, this is the sensory organ, this is the central nervous system, yes, and if the sensory organ, it may be nose, it may be eyes, it may be ear. So from there they are going to collect the information. Yes, they are collecting the information in with the help of these dendrites, and they are taking this information from the cyton to the axon, and from this axon with the help of the synapses, where synapses is the connection between the two nerves. So from these synapses, they are again collecting the next dendrite, again collecting the signals, and from this dendrite they are carrying the signal to the next dendrite. Yes, in this way the message is transferred from one neuron to the next neuron. Yes, if this neuron they are in this direction, yes, the information goes in this direction, where the sensory organs is here and the central nervous system is here. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, the dendrites is collecting the information from the sensory organ, and from this it is passes through these central nervous systems. So if this nerve is covered by a sheet or the fibrous sheet, that is the epineurium, then these they are called as the nerves, then they are called as the nerve. Yes, and here the nerve, that is the this nerve which is collecting the information from the sensory organ, and it is transferring this information to the central nervous system. So this type of nerve you called as the sensory nerve. This type of neuron or the nerve you called as the sensory nerve, because they are collecting the information from the sensory organ, and from this organ they are transferring to the central nervous system. Likewise, agar iska direction, if we invert the direction like this, where they are collecting the information from the central nervous system and they are going to transfer the information into the sensory organ. If these neurons are covered by a sheet, that is the fibrous sheet, that is called as epineurium, and in this way they are collecting the information from the central nervous system and transfer to the sensory organ, then this types of nerve you called as the motor नर्व, यू कॉल्ड एज अ मोटर नर्व, क्योंकि ये क्या कर रहा है, हमारा जो सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम है वहां से इंफॉर्मेशन लेके जा रहा है, एंड सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम इज हमारा मेन है, दैट इज यू कॉल्ड एज अ, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू कॉल्ड एज अ मोटर नर्व. यस, in the mixed nerve, what is the both type of neurons is present. In this, the message is going from the sensory organ to the central nervous system, and from this central nervous system the message is going to the sensory organ in the same nerve, or they are covered by a fibrous sheet, that is the epineurium. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, there is a transferring of message in the same nerve, so that is so here you called as a mixed neuron, you called as a mixed nerve. Yes, so this is the different types of nerves on the basis of their function. Yes, later these nerves, how these are useful, these nerves are useful in these nerves, that is if the peripheral nervous system is divided into two types, that is the cranial nerve and the spiral nerve. Here the nerves are divided on the basis of their origin. Means अगर कोई nerves अगर उसका origin brain से हुआ है, then it is called as the cranial nerve, or if it has originated from the spinal cord, then it is called as the spinal nerve. Sorry, spelling गलत है, that is the spinal nerve. Yes, so this spinal nerve, they have 31 pairs and the cranial nerves have the 12 pairs. Yes, so here this sensory nerve, motor nerves and mixed nerve were used in this cranial nerves and spinal nerve. So next we see in the books how they are divide the peripheral nervous system and different type of cranial nerves, their nature and function we will study from the book. So here the peripheral nervous system connects the central nervous system to the different parts of the body having receptors and effector. Yes, receptor which is collecting the information, effector giving the information. Yes, so the peripheral nervous system, it is a connection between the central nervous system and the sensory organ or the different parts of the body. So it is called as the peripheral nervous system. Yes, depending upon the connection to the central nervous system, the peripheral nerves are classified into two main types. That is the cranial nerves, that is connected to the brains or they are originated to the brains. Then second is the spinal nerve, which are connected to the spinal cord or they are originated from the spinal cord. Yes, so अब जो information लेके आएगा, जो लेके जाएगा, they are the sensory nerve, motor nerves and the mixed types of nerve. Yes, so here the chart or sorry, the table of the cranial nerves. So first we see the cranial nerve. Cranial nerve. The nerves develop from the brain in all the ammonoids, that is the reptiles, birds and mammals. They are the nerves which is developed from the brain, they called as the cranial nerve. अब इनको एमनियोइड्स क्यों बोला गया है? क्योंकि हम जो फ्लूइड है, फ्लूइड से तैयार होते हैं. यस, धीरे धीरे जब जाइगोट बनता है, इट इज अंडर द एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड. यस, वो उसको प्रोटेक्ट करता है. तो लाइकवाइज यहाँ पे रेप्टाइल्स, बर्ड्स और मैमल्स में सेम टाइप का हमें देखने मिलता है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दे कॉल्ड एज द ammonoids. Yes, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Roman numbering, that is 1 to 12, is used to denote them. The nerves originated from or terminate into the brain. So these nerves, they may be originated from the blood or they may be terminate in the brain. Sorry, they originated from the brain or they may be terminated into the brain. According to their function, these are classified as sensory nerve, motor nerve and mixed nerve. So जैसे हमने देखा what is how the sensory nerve work, how the motor nerve works, how the mixed type of nerve work. So on the basis of their function, these are classified as sensory, motor and mixed type. So let's see in the table. So as in the table, this is the number. The column 1 indicates the number, second name, third type, origin, organ, innervated or function. Yes, so there are 12 type of 12 numbers of the cranial nerves, first, second, third. They are denoted in the Roman number. Yes, then on the basis of this, they are, ये जो number है, they are specific for their, ये जो nerves है उनके लिए specific है. Like nerve 1 जो है, it is responsible for the olfactory sensory nerve है. Number 1, number 2 and number 8, they are the sensory nerve. They are the sensory nerve. Yes, sensory nerve means they are collecting the information from the sense organ and giving to the message to the central nervous system. So here the first nerve is the olfactory, that is the sensory nerve. Olfactory is related to the nose. Yes, their organ is the epithelial of the nose or the function is the smell. Optic, the sensory, it is also a sensory type. जो हम optic means related to eye, हम eye से देख सकते हैं. So it is one of the sensory organ. So it is the type of sensory nerve where origin is at the site of diencephalon. then organ is the retina of eye and the function is vision. Yes, then eighth is the sensory nerve, that is the olfactory. Yes, that is the internal ear. Origin is from the pons and it is the sensory organ and it is its function in hearing and the equilibrium. ये हमारे बॉडी का इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन करता है और हमारे जो सुनने की शक्ति है उस दिस इज बाय द ईयर. यस, इक्विलिब्रियम कैसे मेंटेन करता है? बिकॉज वी हैव अ फ्लूइड इन अवर ईयर, जो अगर कभी कम ज़्यादा होता है तो उसके कारण आपको चक्कर आने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. सो इट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल कि आपकी बॉडी का इक्विलिब्रियम या आपकी बॉडी का बैलेंस मेंटेन करने के लिए इट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. यस, सो देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंसरी नर्व्स, दैट इज 1, 2, 1, 2 and 8. These are the sensory nerves. They collecting the information from nose, eye and ear and they giving information to the central nervous system. Yes, then the third, that is third nervous system, fourth nervous system, sixth nerves, then 11th and 12th. These are the motor nerves. These are the motor nerves. Means दे आर ओरिजिन. अगर हम बात करेंगे, अगर उनके बारे में अगर हम देखते हैं, डेट इज द ऑक्यूलोमोटर. टाइप इज मोटर और वो उनका ओरिजिन कहाँ पे हुआ है? देयर ओरिजिन इन द फ्लोर ऑफ मिड ब्रेन. फोर्थ का भी आप देखेंगे, देयर ओरिजिन इन द फ्लोर ऑफ मिड ब्रेन. देन अगर हम सिक्स्थ वाला देखते हैं, उनका ओरिजिन कहाँ हो रहा है? ब्रेन से हो रहा है, मीन्स पॉन से हो रहा है. देन सेवेंथ इज सॉरी अगर उसके बाद है 11th, side of medulla oblongata and side of medulla oblongata. 11th is the spinal accessory and 12th is the hypoglossal. Their origin in from the side of medulla oblongata. मतलब अभी तक हमने जितने भी देखे जो मोटर नर्व की बात की, उनका जो ओरिजिन था वो कहाँ पे हुआ है? ब्रेन से हुआ है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे कॉल्ड एज अ मोटर नर्व. यस, टंग मसल, मूवमेंट ऑफ टंग के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. देन मूवमेंट ऑफ लैरिंग्स, फेरिंग्स, नेक एंड शोल्डर. यस, दैट इज द स्पाइनल accessory. उनका function, movement of larynx, pharynx, neck and shoulder. So these are the motor nerves because they are carrying the information from the motor organ to the central nervous system to the sensory organ. Yes, then third type of nerves, that is the mixed type. Yes, here अगर हम ये वैगस की बात करते हैं, that is the pneumogastric. They are the mixed type of nerves. Their origin is at the side of medulla oblongata. Yes, and their function is visceral sensation and visceral movement like breathing, cardiac slowing, gastric and pancreatic secretion, gastrointestinal movement. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? There is आपको दोनों तरह का यहाँ पे जो है मैसेज एक मोटर सेंसरी ऑर्गन से सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम की तरफ भी जाएगा एंड फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम से मोटर ऑर्गन्स की तरफ भी जो है इंफॉर्मेशन एट अ टाइम ट्रांसफर होगी. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे कॉल्ड एज द मिक्स टाइप ऑफ nerves. Yes, so here 3 types of nerve we have seen. Here the 5th type of nerve, that is the trigeminal nerves, that is also called as the dentist nerve, which have the ophthalmic, maxillary and mandibular, which has the type as sensory and mixed type. Their origin from the ventral side of bone. Their organ which have been affected by there is the nasal ophthalmic से कौन सा इफेक्ट हो रहा है? nasal cavity, upper eyelids, forehead. So these are the organ which get affected. Then maxillary, mucosa of nose, palate, upper teeth, upper lip, lower eyelid, parts of pharynx. Yes, what are their function is the sensation of skin, touch, taste, jaw movement. So इन दिस फिफ्थ नर्व यू सी कि यहाँ पे हमें सेंसरी ऑर्गन भी मिल रहा है या सेंसरी नर्व भी देखने मिल रहा है, मिक्स टाइप ऑफ नर्व भी देखने मिल रहा है. यस, हियर द बोथ टाइप ऑफ सिग्नलिंग इज कैरिंग आउट, मतलब सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम से सेंसरी ऑर्गन में और सेंसरी ऑर्गन से सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम की तरफ आपको दोनों तरफ से क्या होगा, सिग्नलिंग एक ही नर्व्स में आपको मिल जाएगी. यस, दैट इज द ट्राइजेमिनल, दैट इज द डेंटिस्ट नर्व. उसके बाद अगर हम देखते हैं सेवेंथ, दैट इज द फेशियल नर्व विच इज मिक्स्ड origin from the bone, which is responsible organ innervated, that is the facial, scalp and neck muscle. Yes, then lacrimal, sublingual, then submandibular, nasal and palatine glands. Then its function is for the facial expression, movement of neck, secretion of tears, taste, salivary secretion. So these are the example of the mixed type of the nerve system. Yes, the nerves. So in this we have seen that the peripheral nervous system has been divided into two types depending upon the origin of the nerves. So they are of cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Where the cranial nerves, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves and there are 31 pairs of the spinal nerve. So in today we have seen the cranial nerve. In next we will see the spinal nerve. Yes, so this is all about today. See you in next.